Okay, we're going to get right into it today. So I found this video on the YouTube channel, MrMBB333. Great channel, by the way. I believe Tyler helped him out back in the day, helped promoted his channel. Now he blew up doing big things. Fine. Okay, great channel. So I'm over there checking out, his videos like always, and I see this. Now, what do we have here? We have a drone filming something unexplainable in the sky. Is it a UFO? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? We don't know. Okay, and apparently neither does MrMBB333 or any other UFO channel for that matter, but I think I figured it out, so don't click off the video. Just continue watching, please. So, again, May 3rd, Norway, a guy out flying a drone captures something really incredible, honestly, on film. Now, we're going to zoom in just a little bit right here. Okay, you see the craft hovering and boom, takes off like a rocket. Now, notice the lights. Okay, now this is always a dead giveaway when you see blinking lights in intervals of 2 or 3 seconds, like 1, 2, 3, blink, 1, 2, 3, blink, 1, 2, 3, blink. Typically, that means it's a drone. Okay. As someone who has flown drones for over 10 years, I knew what this was immediately. But unfortunately, again, we have these UFO channels out there peddling nonsense for clicks, money, subscribers, and things like that. So it's really unfortunate, So, but yeah, you can see right there, guys. It's cool. Yes. It looks alien. It looks, otherworldly perhaps, but when you really just take a minute to analyze the video, you'll see it's nothing more than a drone. Another point about these drones, okay, you see these lights on here. They have the red and the white lights. Same thing on the bottom, okay? You got the red and the white. Now, when the drone is in front of me and the white lights are facing me, I know that when I use my controller and I press forward, it's going to go forward. Now, if it's opposite, the red lights are facing me, if I go forward, the drone's going to go backwards. Okay, same thing left to right. So they're basically there to help you navigate when you're way up in the air, and these drones can go very high. Okay, so that's the point of these lights. Okay, so you're looking at it like this. And again, forward is forward if white is facing you, but if it's the opposite, forwards is backwards, and you get the idea. So that's the point of the lights on the drone. And I've been flying drones, you guys know, for probably 10 years. So that's why they have these lights. And also because you need to be able to see your drone when it's, way the hell up in the sky. So, but that's the point. And now you can order these green LED lights to put on your drone because they look really cool. And, they help you navigate when you're up in the sky. So that's the whole point of the lights. And also on a lot of drones, they're simply required by law now. You have to have these lights. So there you go. Okay, so that was just a quick video of my own personal drone. Now, right here, you can see the LA Fire Department. They use these drones, in particular with the green lights, for different training and, looking for wildfires and so forth, right? Rescue and search and rescue, all kinds of things. Now, these drones are incredibly fast, okay? 154 miles per hour right there. They go very high, very fast, and that's exactly what I think we're looking at right here, okay? But unfortunately, the UFO community, they're going to try to hype this up and tell you it's aliens, okay? Some top models can reach around 70 miles per hour. A racing drone, however, will often be clocked at over 100 miles per hour, and even faster. You can find them on YouTube. I mean, my drone will probably go 40, 50. So, that's what I think we're looking at here. But again, unfortunately, you're going to have a lot of grifters out there, a lot of UFO channels that are going to try to make money on this, and they're going to try to peddle this fake UFO narrative. Not that the topic isn't real. It is 100% real, but you know, instead of taking 5 minutes to research the real UFO phenomenon, you just simply have people trying to make money, clicks, subscribers, and things like that with these videos. All right, so there you have it, guys. I mean, short and sweet, maybe 5-6 minute video. This was incredibly easy to debunk. Now, look, I'm a hardcore believer. You guys know that. I want the truth. I want disclosure, but this is not how we get it. I know it's exciting to see something cool in the sky, and even you know, at first I was like, oh my God, what is it? And then within literally 10 seconds, I figured it out. So you have one drone filming another drone, and that's what you have. So, you know, hopefully the UFO community will do the right thing here and not try to pass this off as, you know, alien or ET or something like that, you know, especially with this NASA hearing coming up on the 31st.